Why, hello, it's me, Mr. Sasaki, and today is Allegro, play through on the violin, alright? Slow and fast. Now, this song is it's called Allegro, but it's also marked tempo-wise as Allegro. And so Allegro means happy, lively, okay? So we can't go too slow with this one. Let's try to figure out our slow tempo. So, bum, 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 bum. So a content, happy, here we are. Lean in, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's find our fast tempo. Now there is a marking called vivace, which means vivacious, and this, is allegro, so it's kind of like more chill than that. So we can't get too fast. Bum, 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 bum. Here, try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, how'd you do? Find a tempo that sort of suits you between that slow and that fast, and you'll be awesome. All right, so if you're ready and great, I will see you in the next song. Bye.